I'm good. How are you?
RTWRI.
Hey, how are you? What's up? How are you? Good to see you. How are you doing, Jim?
Let's all greet Abraham. I know that he will be an excellent judge. So, having worked with him and knowing the quality of the work he does and his dedication as a lawyer, as a public defender, as somebody who respects the rule of law, and somebody with the intellect to do an outstanding job, the intelligence that we really need and want in a judge. For the Marin Superior Court, Mike Coffino.
So I really feel kind of like a carpetbagger. I've come from the north down here to support someone running in a completely different place, but I'm proud to do it.
But David Shane also ran for judge in the primary. He was one of 9 candidates, and I'm really proud to have the support of David. And thank you so much for being here tonight. And David, thank you so much, David, and thank you, Judge Elliot Daum from the Superior Court, and Bonnie. I also want to acknowledge Raleigh Katz is here from the Marin Association of Public Employees, a trade union that has endorsed and also the SEIU is here, I believe. I don't know where they went, but I really appreciate their support as well. Thank you so much. You know, it's an honor, of course, to have eminent figures like Judge Daum here endorsing my candidacy. But I'm equally proud to have the support of less exalted figures in our legal universe. And in particular, I'm proud that the Marin County court clerks and the court reporters who listen to judges day after day and year after year, and all of the court interpreters who have gotten to know me over more than a decade practicing law in Marin are supporting my candidacy because they know me. And I'm also proud to have the kind of frontline deputy public defenders who go down to court every day and work hard on behalf of people's constitutional rights, all the working attorneys and the staff represented here tonight from the public defender's office behind my campaign. And, you know, those kind of workers who make our justice system actually function and operate the gears and the levers, those people and trade unions, they mean as much to me as anybody who has supported me, because that's what this campaign, in my view, has been about from the beginning. It's a campaign about the people, supporting the people and making sure that the project of public defenders, indigent defenders, of representing the least advantaged people in our society also have some place on the bench, and that those kinds of professional backgrounds deserve a place in our judiciary as well as other kinds of practitioners. And you know, as I said at the very beginning, this campaign is less about me than I think it is about a broader idea of establishing some kind of balance on our courts and of recognizing the important role that defenders play in our system. And frankly, I don't think I would have run for office if it had been about me, because I'm not the kind of person that likes to promote my own self. That's just not my personality. But I've persevered in it. I undertook it to begin with, and I've kept it going because of people like you who understand that this is about something a lot more. Personal note, my wife and I just had a baby. Thank you. Everybody in this country benefits from having a rule of law, and benefits from the founders having established a set of personal liberties and due process rights in the individual, which endure. You know, as a judge, I will certainly hope to represent the interests of everybody. And you know, our slogan is "A Judge for All Marin," and I think it's an accurate sentiment about what I stand for, which is to make sure that everybody's interests are represented and vindicated in the courtroom, as our system, provides for, both the rich and powerful and those who are not rich and powerful.
Saying, this is a big deal for me to support a white guy. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm a feminist. I want to support women for the bench. I want to support people of color for the bench. I want to have that kind of diversity on the bench. But I also want the best person for the job. That's Mike Coffino.
And it's just wonderful to have everyone here. And thanks again.
Thank you.